Welcome to Studley Castle. So this is the latest addition in the Warner's Leisure Hotel Group. They've just done a massive multi-million pound renovation. It's been closed for a while and it's just reopened. Russ and I are here for the weekend to road test all of the facilities and we're going to take you with us. It's early morning here in Studley Castle. I am one of the first ones up. I've managed to secure myself one of these gorgeous push bikes. They're made by Pashley in Stratford-upon-Avon and they're made by hand. I'm just taking it for a cycle around the castle grounds so far just to get a feel for it, but I know that the village of Studley is only about a mile away, so I can head off to the village if I want to. I really enjoy the model here at Studley Castle because you can do as much or as little as you want, and I think that if all you're looking for is just a break, respite in a really nice place, then you can totally do that here, or you can do more if that's what you want to do. So one of the activities here at Studley Castle is laser clay shooting. I've never done this before. We actually have done real clay pigeon shooting in the US once and I was absolutely rubbish at it. So let's see if I'm any better with lasers.
Laser is pretty much line of sight. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stable spa here. I've opted for a leg and foot massage and I'm quite excited because I haven't had one since we're in Asia, so I'm really looking forward to just unwinding for a bit and having someone rub my feet.
Who am I to disagree? I travel the world instead and see everybody is looking for something.
Breakfast is definitely one of my favourite meals for the day, and here at Studley Castle it is a buffet, so it is entirely self-service. However, if you do want something specific, for me it's eggs Florentine. You can get these made to order.